Gas prices are rising again, but there's a hidden gap nobody talks about. Two drivers, same city, same commute. One drives gas, one drives electric. The gas driver feels it immediately, every fill-up. In the US, that can mean $120 to $250 per month just on fuel. But the EV driver, often $30 to $50 per month for home charging. Same distance, completely different cost. Gas car, unpredictable spikes every week. EV, stable charging cost at home. Now zoom out to a year. Gas driver, around $1,500 to $3,000 plus per year. EV driver, around $400 to $900 per year. That's a potential $1,000 to $2,000 plus annual difference just from switching fuel type. And if that EV is charged using solar, that fuel cost can drop even further toward near zero electricity. It's not just about switching vehicles. It's about switching from unpredictable spending to controlled energy costs. The real question is, are you still paying for rising gas or planning to switch to savings? Connect with solarSME to explore EV plus solar solutions at home.